welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted files in Windows 11. So don't worry, in today's video, I will show you different ways to recover deleted files. So let's get started. Firstly, I will show you how to recover files from recycle bin. Open your bin, then just right click on it, on the file which you want to recover, and just tap on restore. After selecting restore, it will go to its default location, the file which you deleted. Now I will show you how to recover files using file history backup. So now go to search bar and search file history. You have to type file history here. Now as you can see, this folder named file history, open it. Now as you can see here, keep a history of our files. You have to enable it. If you have enabled file history, you can restore previous versions of file. So first of all, you have to turn it on. Just click on here. You have to put the network selection. Uh, First, I have to turn off the file sharing. Now, as you can see here, turn on network discovery and file sharing. Now, okay, so I have to select a folder. So you can directly select the folder if you have file history turned on. Now I will show you another option how to recover previous files. Restore a file from a previous version. So right click on any folder. Now after right clicking on, go to properties. Then select the previous version tab. If a backup is available, choose a version and click restore. As you can see, a previous version. Now I will show the version and date modified of it. You have to select from your folder and click on OK, and it will restore your previous version and your file will be back up. Now recover files using Windows built-in recovery tool. For using this, you have to open your Microsoft Store and search for Windows File Recovery. Windows File Recovery option. It's a very useful tool, and as you can see this app, you have to install in your Windows 11. After using this tool, you can able to back up your deleted files permanently. And this tool is very helpful for users who have deleted their useful file in the recycle bin also. Now that's it guys. I hope you can recover your deleted files in Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching.